Hey guys, how's it going? This is Ramirez Details. We're gonna be working on the Ford Fiesta today. And what we're gonna be doing, we're just gonna be changing out a brake light. So this is the brake light. And looks like we got that bolt. And we got another bolt down here. So we're gonna take those off. And then this whole housing should come out. And then once we finish that up, we should be able to reach into the brake light. So we're gonna undo those and we'll pop this out and we'll get back to you. This is a Torx. So we had to just pull up and down a little bit, kind of wiggle it out, but it came out pretty easily. So these are all of the lights back here. It's fairly simple. It's pretty dirty right here. Should probably clean that. But we're gonna take a look. So this is that one, brake light, and it's gonna be this one right here. So we'll take that out. Pretty simple. I don't know if the bulb that I have is the correct one, but we're gonna try it out. All right, so unfortunately we had the wrong bulb. So we got these from Advanced Auto Parts. So it's a 3157 Silver Star. I got these because it's a wider light, and I'm pretty sure that's what's in this side. Since we're only going to be replacing one, now I have a backup. So I just wanted to make sure the lights match. Totally up to you, whatever you want to get. But we're going to go ahead and take all this back out, and I'll show you how to put it in. All right. So all you're going to do is just stick this back in through there, just like we pulled it out. Just like that. Stick it back in here. Alright, so with that done, there's this little thing right here, and that goes into that. Okay, so now we're gonna test it. I'm actually by myself, and I don't have a buddy to help me. So I have my air pump. I'm gonna scoot the seat back, stick this into here, and try to just kind of push that down like that. There should be enough force on the brake to show me it light up on and on. So now we'll finish up and we'll test one more thing. Take this off and I will turn the lights on. So these are just the running lights. Okay, looks like everything's back in order. And we'll finish up with the final test. Just put this back right there. Turn it. That should hold. Alright. And everything's working. Alright. Well, there you have it, guys. Make sure you put your bolts back. Just two easy little ones. Not too hard, just a little snug. You don't want to overdo it. I'm gonna break something. That is how you change out the brake light on a 2014 Ford Fiesta titanium 5-speed. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.